my teeth. I'm waking the inferno, hiding beneath. I swallow the heat that you meant for my grave, and feed on the chaos I secretly crave. If you threaten the pack, you are breathing the smoke. You're waking a giant you shouldn't provoke. I carry the symbol right over my heart, and I'll tear every wall of your kingdom apart. The spark is ignited, the oxygen dies. Watch as the wildfire wakes in my eyes. I am the flicker that turns to a blaze, lost in the heat and the smoke and the haze. I stand as the shield when the shadows are torn, to protect every soul and the promise I swore. Feed me the poison, the hate and the lore. I'll swallow the world in the burning maw. 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 Trading my blood for a flicker of light, dragging the sun through the dead of the night. No cage can contain what was born in the heat, breaking the anvil beneath my own feet. Stoking the storm with the hunger for more, echoing deep with the hollowed out roar. Ashes will tell you the price of your pride, facing the monster that's locked deep inside. The embers are cooling, the silence is deep. A promise we made is a promise we keep. Wait for the flicker before the storm begins. I am the flicker that turns to a blaze, lost in the heat and the smoke and the haze. I stand as a shield when the shadows are torn, to protect every soul and the promise I swore. Feed me the poison, the hate and the law. I'll swallow the world in the burning maw. 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 Building a home from a spark in the dark, held by the bonds of a heart I can trust. I'll scorch every shadow that stands in our way, and turn all your kingdoms to cinders and dust.